Right, this is a random KG moment, and I'm documenting. Hey, Lucy.
What the heck?
Lucy throwing a peace sign. Yeah, it is a what the heck moment, because I'm Kendrick Geithner. Y'all should Facebook me.
What the? Are you like
documenting?
Are you like
vlogging?
videotaping?
Yeah.
Rock on, bro. No, I'm awesome.
Why don't you guys introduce yourselves?
Yeah, I'm Freakilicious, sexy bird.
Wait, how is that funny? Yes, it is. I don't know. I'm tired.
Freakilicious, sexy bird. I'm
drunk.
I'm Nimrodic. I'm the Nimrodic poop stain.
That's sexy.
Yeah, bro. Yeah, I know. Except transformed into a vulture style, which is pretty awesome.
Okay.
I'm part vulture. And I'm part Nimrod. And I'm part stain.
I'm confused, but okay.
Shut up! You make no sense.
And over here we have some people. Alexa and Lucy. I'm Alexa and I'm on the phone. Hi. We should make videos, Lucy.
I brought my camera too. I also have my other camera, which is even better.
Yeah.
Where'd it go?
You guys are being boring. Hey people, it's on video.
That's what I told you.
I like that feather thing in your hair.
Nimrodic poop stain vulture going past right there.
Okay.
Not to mention I'm also sexy. Love is
The movement.
the movement. World! Yeah, buddy! I want to put my eye up to this thing. Alright, ready guys?
How's that look?
Yeah, buddy! You better not put this on Facebook.
No, more like YouTube.
Oh! That's gonna be hot.
What are we doing?
Sister Bay Beach is awesome, and I like to swim. And
Subscribe. Hey, Adele. Hey.
Please, I cannot write.
Subscribe. Wait. This is skullsims.
Freakilicious, sexy bird.
Walker foot kick.
What? You know how to polka? Is it good?
I guess you know how to polka.
No, it's like. Hey guys. I'm riding my.
That was nice.
I am riding my Nimrodic vulture mobile. Oh, that's. Oh my God! You cornball.
Cornball?
You're a cornball.
Alright, this is definitely going on YouTube. I love YouTube.
This is what?
Oh, this is... Hey. My name is Freakilicious Sexy Bird.
Stain vulture. This is my Nimrodic mobile. My Nimrod mobile.
That was attractive.
I was trying to burp. Ow. Watch it! Come in there! Peace out.
So, am I ending this video?
Yeah.
Okay.